Hello YouTube, welcome to a new video. For today's video we'll be taking a look at the Paul Valdez hauler from Cars 1. So let's get right into it. So let me preface this by saying that it is quite damaged because I bought this loose for $8. I wouldn't normally buy such a beat up hauler. It was early last year I bought it, I think March 2020, but it was such a good deal that I couldn't pass it up even if it was damaged. Let's take a look at the trailer first. It's like a dark, faded grey with red stripes around. The top here says WLD1. WL01, 178847, Z01, 269, 8874615, and ZH1X. Oh, 5 or 6. 69887461500. Should be easy to see. 135 PU. Black tyres with silver rims. And this air conditioner event or what? 135 PU. This side's really just the same as the other side. And there's the back. License plate is ML115, which I believe is the same as. Yeah, it's the same as Gill. Not the same as Jerick recycled batteries, but it is the same as Gill, which is quite disappointing, but oh well. Let's have a look at the actual Paul himself. He's got slurping an oil can there. His expression, I guess, looks a bit on, so between worried and laid back, I guess. White stripes here, which end up going into the grill. Got some with the orange cap PV, green and red for Paul Valdez. This side mirror, this one's broken off sadly, and then the side windows, smokestacks on the back. Got the little ring here for the hauler to go, the trailer to go in. Sorry. License plate ML115. And now we shall compare him to his cab, to the cab counterpart, the semi-cab, whatever you want to call him, released in 2016 Radiator Springs Classic Series, I believe. So, not really any differences from what I can tell. But thank you all very much for watching. Bringing his back up to the trailer and bringing his buddies for the end of the video. Gill and Jerry recycled batteries, who I reviewed last week and the week before, respectively. There's Jerry, and there is Gill. But as always, thank you all very much for watching. So please remember to do all of the normal stuff I tell you guys to do. Like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, and I'll see all of you in the very next video.